Something big has happened. This is serious. The exterior of this pot carries over 200 volts. The hood is reported to have over 130 volts. When cleaning, it feels tingly, indicating high voltage. With this voltage, it's surprising no one got shocked. Besides the electrified appliances, the main circuit breaker keeps tripping, especially on rainy days. It's not just one breaker. It's the main breaker. This is a self-built house in the countryside. In the corner of the yard, there's another panel. It's hard to access because there's too much stuff. That's rural life. Many things are stored out of sight. There's also a sub-panel for the main breaker. It's a leakage protector. This is the one to check. First, inspect the wiring. This wire is the main line connected above the leakage protector. The lower wires lead to the bedroom and outside. Let's check these wires. In rural self-built houses, intermittent tripping often occurs, especially in rainy weather. This usually indicates leakage outside. One can test the wires. This wire shows no leakage. This wire is also normal. These wires are all fine. The last one is also okay. All seem fine. So why does the breaker trip? Let's look at the outdoor wiring. Let's trace it from the beginning. Observe the wire routing. Check if there are any worn spots near the wall. This area looks normal. Typically, intermittent tripping indicates outdoor wiring issues. Long exposure to wind and sun can cause deterioration. Then luck strikes. It hasn't even been half an hour. It must be this spot. The insulation is burned. Using a voltage tester shows no voltage. Only about 10 volts. On rainy days, moisture can increase the voltage or cause leakage to the ground. That trips the breaker. Hello. Initially thought this was a complex issue. Now, found the fault in half an hour. When securing the outdoor wiring, avoid using iron wire as it rusts easily. It damages the insulation. Initially, there may be slight leakage, but over time, the breaker won't reset. Re-insulated it. No more iron wire. This wire can be laid on the ground. Additionally, rural areas lack grounding. This causes many appliances to have high induced voltage. How to handle this? Bought a grounding rod. Installed a new grounding system. Found a moist and soft spot. This grounding rod is about 1.5 meters long. Reinstalled a grounding wire. The main breaker needs replacing. One can choose a miniature circuit breaker. This type effectively protects human safety. Since there's no grounding wire in the house, grounding was only done outside. Using the old leakage protector offers no protection. If all sockets are grounded, it could be problematic. These two are different. This one trips at 0.1 seconds. This one trips at 0.03 seconds. Not only does it have leakage protection, but also surge protection. Trips over 24 milliamps. There are two installation modes. One without grounding, and one with grounding. In rural areas, for grounding, one can install a main ground outside. Then add a leakage protector. Check the ground voltage. 0 volts indicates good grounding. Check the hood. It shows about 10 volts. This grounding does not eliminate induced voltage on the surface. This one is still normal at 0 volts. However, the voltage from the shell is absolutely safe for the human body. He conducted an experiment. He used a plug. He connected it to a socket. The light is now working normally. But the live and neutral wires are tested in the water. The water also has voltage. The water is just regular tap water. The live and neutral wires won't trip in the water. The plug he used is a 2-phase one. It's a flexible wire. There is no ground wire. Will the water electrify someone? He can try it out. It's hard to tell if it's normal or magical. Is it impressive? He hears it's not electrifying. People are not electrified. People are fine. This is equivalent to grounding. He does not do it alone. He needs to pull the ground. He finds it troublesome. It's well done. How much does it all cost? He can take 800 in total. Is that okay? All right. The video ends here. Thanks for watching. He asks for everyone's guidance.